Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your speaker EDIFIER D32. And the first one, that the speaker have controls, so if you have it near to you, you don't need to use your phone, you can use controls. Right here at the bottom we have power button to turn off and turn on. The speaker also, we can swap between modes by press one time on it. Then we have a Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode, just press and hold it. Then we have play and pause, to play and pause the music or maybe videos. And also volume down and volume up buttons. With volume down button you can lower the volume or play previous track or previous video by pressing hold it, and with volume up you can increase the volume or you can also play next track. Next, if you want to improve your listening experience, you can change equalizer preset. So you need to open EDIFIER Connect app. And of course you need to add your speaker to the application. Right here we have sound effects, you can click on it. Right here you have 4 presets what EDIFIER offer for us, but you can also create a custom one. I create for myself bass boost, so it's a good one. Next, this speaker have dual connection, so you can connect 2 devices to your speaker simultaneously. You need to go to the settings and enable multipoint connection. And then you can use it. Also, the next trick is only for Android devices, so just give me a second, I will show it to you. And this trick is that the speaker supports DAC, what means high resolution audio codec, but to use it your phone should support this codec also. So you need to open application, go to the settings, and right here at the second line we have HD audio. Tap at this line, and right here you can enable it by click at the audio quality or connection quality. I recommend it to use firstly the first one. You may have connection stability with it, but then you can swap to connection quality. And if you have some trouble with your speaker, you can perform a factory reset right here in the application. You need to go to factory settings and then click at this slider, and you will fix a lot of trouble with it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!